thinking about sides and vertices, for today we're only going to look at one shape, and that shape is a circle. So we covered squares, rectangles, triangles, and trapezoids. So those shapes that I just listed have things in common because they have sides and they also have vertices. But the circle is a little bit different. So looking at my cursor right here as I'm moving it, do you guys see any straight lines or corners? So no, a circle doesn't have any straight lines. So because it's round, a circle has 0 sides and 0 vertices. Another way that we can say that is a circle has no straight lines, so it has 0 sides, and it doesn't have any straight lines to make corners, so it has 0 vertices. So it has no sides and no vertices. So today's lesson is really fast because it had 0 of each feature. It didn't have any of them. So for today's homework, you're going to draw a circle on a piece of paper with a red marker or crayon, outline the sides. And the trick is, will you be able to outline anything on a circle? You're going to answer, how many sides does it have? Next, for step 3, with the blue marker or crayon, color the vertices or corners. How many vertices does it have? And the last step, number 4, take a picture of your work and send it to Miss Kim.